Hi guys, just want to start with saying I'm sending love and light to everyone out there at the moment, and prayers. Things are already harder, very, very hard, including myself. I'm aware, and you guys are probably all aware of it too. We're all getting attacked in different ways. It's all happening at once. So if you're going through it right now, I hear you. I'm with you. Yeah, so I want to apologise for not responding to all my comments. My attacks are in my head, and it's just, it's difficult. Anyway, while this has been playing, I think I've found a new species of bird, the holographic kind. I don't think it's native to Australia. I think it's been introduced. Check out that one. Yeah, so I've got a few still pictures here. Yeah, pretty self-explanatory. They look like holograms. This one coming up any second. In the tree, at the top, in the centre. That square, that's the bird. Anyway, I apologise. I'm not in the chattiest kind of mood. Just a bit worn down at the moment. I do have a couple of other things to show. It took me 8 seconds to catch the blue beam. I think it's stalking me. It's always there. Anyway, this is in slow motion, and it'll come up round about now. And still picture. There's also one that's on the left-hand side of the sun, but I do want to focus on this cloud that was below it. It's a perfect example. Okay, I'll try and get this done quickly because I don't want to get rambling. Once you know the shapes, you can spot them all over the entire sky. My theory is that Blue Beam is up and running. They are already putting holographic projections in the sky. The whole sky is now a plasma screen. We can't see past it. There is a structure up there, a solid structure up there that's being cloaked by light-bending technology and different types of clouds. The light-bending technology is also the same technology used to make the blue sky. So it's the whole thing is blocked. The projectors are everywhere. It's like a grid. They need the projectors placed throughout the entire sky to be able to create the holograms effectively. This cloud is hiding one of the smaller ones. And like I said, once you know the shapes, you can spot them in any cloud, in any form of cloaking. I can even spot them in the plain blue cloudless sky now. I would love to show you, but people probably think I'm nuts because I'd be showing a blue sky and saying there's a projector there. I will try and find some footage that where you can see the clear cloaking around the shapes. I have plenty of it. I just need to find a good picture. Okay, so we're looking at a projector. It is kind of side on. the right hand side, ignore the wispy faces at the back of it, like on the left hand side. I'm a bit tired. On the left hand side, ignore the wispy faces for a minute and concentrate on the straight edge. That's the back of it. Up the top, where that little blue hole is, that's where the beams go through. It's hard to explain. If you've seen any of my earlier videos, I mention invisible tunnels throughout the entire sky. That's how they move the light around. The coloured flashing orbs travel along these, and that's how they control the picture up there. Yeah, so that's that. Going down the right hand side, the shape. That is the shape of the projector. There's a little triangle down the bottom. Okay, it's hard to explain. There's a little triangle down the bottom. I think I'll put some arrows in. That's always there. You look for that shape. It's like a platform. And in the middle here, that's controlling another beam of light. They direct and control and hold the beams of light throughout the whole sky. This part here, down on the left, that is the back of one of the smaller carousels. All the carousels hold these projectors on them, and the carousels spin and create weird images and things. All those parallel lines in the cloud are revealing the shape and the structure of the carousel and the projectors on the end of it. Combine this with the cloaking, the manufactured clouds, harp frequencies, the fact that there's a large structure up there with tracks that the machines run along. There's clear panels, there's clear triangle bits, there's symbols, there's trying to think, there's lenses at both sides of the sky, I've noticed. There's a lens array on both sides of the sky. I don't know why, but anyway. There's, as well as that, on the other side, above the machine, is the sun simulator. The machine I'm talking about is not the sun simulator. The sun simulator is above it. That's why we get all the weirdness in front of the sun. Things eclipsing the sun. It's all machinery. Anyway, veering off. We have the lenses. The lenses can be used to look like celestial objects. They use the projectors and things and pretty lights, and voila, you got a planet in the sky. There's the I don't know how to pronounce it properly. The toroidal fields. They look like lenses. In Aussie speak, portal bubbles. There's morphing ships, the drone ships. There is all sorts of things up there, all of it combined to create confusion, to mimic what we can't see, because we cannot see past all of this up there in the sky. Yeah, it's all deception. But yeah, I'm going to teach you more about the shapes and how to recognise it. It's very repetitive throughout the sky. Once you know the basic shapes of things, Very, very easy to spot and very, very easy to see straight through this deception. We can't see past the sky. I can't stress that enough. Okay, getting rambly. Love you guys. Keep safe. Stay alert. And sending light, love and light to everybody. Okay. See ya.